Hey guys, it's Ozzy again with Punch Overland. Hey, we're going to be in the shop here for a few days off and on, and got some exciting stuff, always exciting stuff going on in the shop. Hopefully we can wrap what we're going to do here up in one video. It may extend into two, so it may carry into 2 weeks, but hopefully you enjoy what's happening here. So you guys sit back and relax, and we'll see how our progress goes and how things are gonna turn out. So hope you enjoy, guys. We'll check you in just a bit. Okay guys, we talked in one of our past videos about building a rack for the 4Runner, and then Brent's going to build one for his Toyota Tacoma. So went through a company called T-Nuts, and in this box we have some crossbars. Basically are going to go between the side rails. We're going to open this up right now and see what we got here, and I should have 10 of them in here, and all the little cap screws and some nuts and some different fittings, that bolts and nuts, hardware that will go with this to make our life more easy when we're out on the trail. So let's get this opened up and see what we got here, and hopefully it's the right stuff. Well, continuing on with the rack build here, going to show you some more of our material. That's 3 inches wide, 1/4 inch thick, and I think they come in 12-foot pieces. There's 3 of them there. I'm going to use 2 of those pieces. Brent will use 1. My rack's going to go across the whole front of my car, about that 4Runner, about 7 feet from front to back. I think I'm going to pull another measurement here before I do it. But so anyway, those will be the side pieces for the rack. Those will be the crossbars and the nuts and bolts. We got to go through and drill all the holes. I'm going to put 10 sections in mine. Brent's going to have a few less in his. It's going to be a little shorter. So anyway, let's get to it. Like it's raining out, so we'll see. Well, shoot, it's snowing out. So anyway, there's the 4Runner with the basket off of it. Well, Brent's supposed to be on his way. He lives up there in that yellow house. Hopefully he's not in trouble. There's police officers going by, 2 of them. He should be coming down that road any minute now. I'm not sure what 2 police officers were doing up there, but now they're driving by my house really slow. So anyway, we'll keep an eye out for Brent. He's bringing his materials down too for starting on the rack. He'll have his Tacoma here, and well, we'll both be working. I've been tinkering around in here, just kind of waiting for him a little bit and see what he's got for ideas for my mounts. Anyway, not sure if I'm going 1.5 or 2 inch yet, but we'll see what Brent thinks when he gets here. He'll have a good idea and we'll go from there. I think he's using 1 1/4 and he's putting his on his Tacoma on his topper. So he's got a topper on there and that's what he's mounting his on. Anyway, we'll keep an eye out for him. Okay guys, I think Brent's coming now. What's that road there? There he is. Pulled out of his driveway. Making his way over here, so. There he is. It's always a good day when Brent comes to play. That means some exciting projects are about to happen, or an adventure. And you can hear Duncan barking at him there. Anyway, got to help him unload his materials. Be with you in a little bit. Brent's got same stuff I do. I think his are an inch shorter. Yours are 47, right?
47.
Yeah. Mine's are exactly like that, but they're 48s. And the racks are going to be really close to identical except for the width and the length. Brent's is what length?
I think 60 around the nose.
60 inches. So 5 foot and mine's 7 foot, but I'm going on the top of the 4Runner and he's going just on his topper shell here, Kemper shell topper.
Cool. Get a little bit of
So he's going to have to pull a basket off of his too, just like I just pulled mine off. So anyway.
bring the height down a little bit. Yeah, boom, boom. So get build a couple of those guys. Mirror that, pull this all off, and we'll come down and bolt that to the extrusion bar, that to the rack, the track. Should be good.
We're getting after it here.
It's got me eating it.
Well, the basket came off easy, so one step closer. I'm pulling his little. You made those crossbars, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Pulling those crossbars off and getting ready to build something different and put some new stuff on there. A little lighter, a little sleeker, a little better looking, a little more sexy. Okay guys, gonna measure it up here. I'm gonna go 4 5/8. Here, all lined up here. Unless you really like loud noises, better plug your ears. There we go. Starting to make a little bit of a mess here. Made our first 2 cuts on aluminum for the side rails. That's for Brent's. I'm going to make my cuts here in just a little bit. He's working on his mounting blocks now for the topper where the rack will mount to. Well guys, we're still moving along here. Progress has kind of slowed down a little bit, so it's not going quite as fast as we initially thought it was going to. But anyway, and I haven't videoed as much as I would like to, but we're making some progress. I'll show you where we're at now and then talk about it here as we go. So let me get you turned around here so you can see what's okay. Well, the best part of the update is Mama J came to visit. She stepped in the shop here for just a few minutes and got food and water. So I got a granola bar there and some water. Got lots of water, so that's good. Anyway, there's my stuff still. My crossbar's still there. I got my flat stuff cut to length at 84 inches, 7 foot. And then still tinkering with brackets here, deciding what size to use or what to use. I got the square ones there we started out with, but I think I'm going to go with smaller, those angled ones there, those with the 45s on them. And then there's Brent's. That's Brent's last thing he's got to do. I started on mine first because I got a little different configuration that I got to get around in the dome from front to back of the roof. So anyway, here's Brent's almost finished project, but there's what it's going to look like. You got the side rails there. We're looking at the top here. The bottom of the rack is on that side there, and he puts that on his topper. We've set it up there. It looks really good. The side rails are wide enough at the bottom that kind of doesn't show much underneath there. So anyway, that's his finished product for now, and then once he gets his brackets on here, he's coming over later this afternoon. It's tomorrow now, so we worked till I think it was 8:30 or so last night, and then we decided to take a little break. So anyway, that's where we are now. I'll check back with you later on, or see what progress we've made. Maybe I'll video a little more, but hopefully next time we catch you, I will be drilling holes in my side pieces or mounting the crossbars into my side pieces. So we will see you later.